KCC105 for week number 8. I'm asking you to do a reading on stock dividends and the comprehension check, the quiz. I'm asking you to calculate a percentage based on stock price, based on EPS, or earnings per share of a stock. Well, the reading helps out with the idea of dividends and so forth, but I want to be real specific about what I'm looking for in that quiz, based on the same ideas of the reading, but some specifics. Here we go. I gave you information like this. Stock information. Here's the price of Starbucks stock, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight that. I have to pay $57.82 to get 1 share of stock. Your numbers in the quiz might be a little different because it's from your data's from a couple days older, but this is current data. $57.82. Okay, that's great, but how much would I expect the company to earn? Well, down here, I gave you another data point. It's called EPS, and you have this in the quiz. EPS is earnings per share, earnings, money, the profit, the money that comes in. I pay $57.82. I earn, or let's be honest, the company earns almost $2. I pay, the company earns. Okay, we got two numbers, and I'm asking you to compare them in a percent. When you do a percent, typically the formula for a percent, the general formula is part divided by whole. Which one is part? Which is the whole? That's the whole amount of money I paid, and that's part of the money that should turn over as profit. Whole money I paid, there's the part that I get as profit. Whole part. Okay, I'm ready to do a division problem. I am ready to do a division problem. Part divided by whole. What's the part? 198. That's part of the money that comes back as a profit. Divided by, what's the whole amount of money I paid? $57.82. And we can get an answer. And in particular, let's go ahead and do it. I got my little calculator here. Okay, what is it? $1.98 divided by, what am I looking at? $57.82 for the stock price. And I divide them up and I get that number right there. Now that is a percentage, but we need to know how to interpret it. When you're looking at a decimal, move the decimal point 2 places. So I go over here. Or if you're a mathematical, or if you like a formula, we can multiply by 100. And we get the same thing. The decimals moved, multiplied by 100, 3.4%. So I could say, hey, if I pay that much money, I expect to get 3.4% of my money coming back as profits. Does that automatically happen? Well, read the article and it gives you some details. But in terms of the question on this quiz, if I pay $57.82 in my stock price, I would expect to get about roughly a 3% profit. Does it actually come back in terms of your dividends? Or that's the reading. But in terms of the quiz, this is the number I'm looking for. And I believe I say round it to the nearest whole number. So this would be I just typed 3 for my percentage. If you want to type 3.4, you'll still get credit on the quiz. If you have a stock price, if you have an EPS, an earnings, a profit, you need to make a division. Here's the division formula. Here's what I rolled it out in the calculator. And then this is the number that you'll put in for the comprehension check. If you have any other questions about for week number 8, the comprehension check and stock dividends, shoot an email.